Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed. Check it out. It's an Origami X flicker, and here's how it flies. Ooh yeah. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this model I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. But you could try it from a sheet or print and paper cut square. So let's begin white side up and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. And unfold and fold in half this way. We are making a pinwheel base. And unfold and fold the two sides to the crease. Alright, and fold the short sides to the middle. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to fold diagonally in half, so we're going to take this point and fold it to here, and hold the layers down so they don't slide. So hold it down firmly, and fold it in half like this, and crease that nice and sharp. And now we're going to unfold it in a certain way, so just take these 2 points and just separate them like this. And notice that these get folded, and that's good. That's exactly what you want. Okay, and now we're going to do that in the other direction. So take this point and fold it to that point, and hold the layers down so they don't slide like that. And crease that sharply. And now just separate these 2 points and let that get folded, just like that. Okay, and now comes a little fun step. What we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're just going to pull it out, just like that. And flatten it. And repeat on this side. So take that layer and bring it out like that. Alright, and repeat on this side. Okay, and now fold this flap up like this, and this flap like that. And what do we got? We got a pinwheel. Okay, and now turn over, and now it's turned into the flicker. So take this edge and fold it to the crease. Like this, and unfold and do that 3 more times. So here, here, and here. Okay, unfold. And now it's rabbit ear these 4 corners. So take these 2 edges, bring them together, and pinch. Like that. And do that 3 more times. So on here, pinch it, like this. And then once you get about to here, take everything and bring everything in like this, and then flatten like that. Like that. Okay, and now we're going to fold these 4 corners to the middle point. So I'm going to start here. Okay, so here we have the flicker taking shape. So this is the bottom or the top of the flicker, whatever. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this edge and fold it to this edge, like this. grease that nice and sharp. And now turn over and fold this point up right over the edge. Okay, unfold, and now lift up the top layer. There's actually 2 slots here, one here and one here. I don't think it matters which one, but I'm just gonna do the topmost one. So I'm gonna lift up the raw edge and stick this flap into the white pocket. Okay, just like that, and grease that sharp. And do that on the remaining 3. So I'll show you again on this one, then I'll fast forward these other 2. So here we go. Take this edge and fold it to here. Alright, turn over and fold this up over the edge. Unfold and lift up the top edge. Find the white pocket and stick it in. It probably works with the other pocket too. I don't think it matters. Okay, and now do that with these 2. And I'm gonna fast forward. Alright, so once you did that, we are done. So here it is. Here is our Flicker X complete. And yeah, so there you have it. Alright, let's see how it flies. Okay, so to flick this model, it's just like an ordinary flicker. And I'm gonna have this side face up right here. So, right here. And so I'm gonna make this the top right here, the one with not as much edges. And the side with all the edges on it, that's gonna be the side that face up. So here's the bottom and here's the top. So I'm gonna hold it like this and I'm gonna flick right on this edge. So here goes. Yep. Yep, pretty good. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that and hope you enjoy flying it. And make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.